Hi friends! This LED face mask offers a powerful and convenient at-home skincare solution using 4 wavelengths of long light wave to target various skin concerns. Combine different colors lights and near-infrared red. It penetrates deep into skin to boost collagen, reduce wrinkles, and rejuvenate elasticity. This adjustable intensity levels its upgrade chip LED technology enhance light absorption and effectiveness. Made of soft, skin-friendly silicone and designed to fit all face shapes comfortably, this foldable portable mask is a cost-effective alternative for spa treatments, delivering a salon-grade skincare anytime, anywhere, without pain or side effects. Even though when you are resting or you are working from home, even though you are working in an office, while you are cooking, this face mask is going to be just perfect for any situation. Check it out, all the colors that you can put to LED therapy.